Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video. In this video, we are going to talk about how exactly we can set up push notification into our WordPress website using onesignal.com. So if you have not heard of this website, it easily allows you to integrate your push notification to your mobile application, to your WordPress website, to your normal website, anywhere you want. You can set up push notification using this site. Okay, so without any further delays, let's just get started with it. First of all, you'll require to go to onesignal.com and create your account. So you can either log in with one of the social handles or you can sign up for this website. What I'll do here is I'll quickly log in via Google. So it will ask me some permission. I'll allow that to this website. And here you can see we have already set it up for one of the websites where there are so many users have subscribed already. So 203 users have already subscribed to this specific website's push notification. So I'll just click on new app or website. Now here I'll give the name of my website, academy365.net. And since it is for our website, we'll have to select web here. And then we can click on configure your platform. Now it is asking typical for website, select this. Okay, for WordPress, select this. For custom code, select this. So since the website is on WordPress, I'll be going with this second option. So here we'll select WordPress. You can also integrate this easily with Shopify, Blogger, Magento, Drupal, Squarespace, Joomla, Weebly, Wix, Bubble, all these websites. You can easily integrate your push notification via onesignal.com. So now here I'll give the site name Academy 365 website URL. So I'll just copy my website URL here. Okay. Auto resubscribe HTTPS only. Yes, we can have this on because our website is SSL secured. So we'll have this on. Default icon, you can upload one of the icons if you want to. I'll skip this step for now, but in your case you can definitely upload the icon that you want. The icon dimension have been provided here. It should be 256 by 256 pixels. Okay, my site is not fully SSL. That's not the case. Safari certificate, so if you want to enable it for Safari, we'll have to switch this on, because for Safari there's a special requirement which is there. So it's for advanced push notification option which is there. I'll leave it blank. I'll just show it for Firefox and Chrome and Brave and other browsers. Safari we can skip for now. Next we'll click on save. Once you do that, you can see the app ID, the app key are generated here. Now this is something which we'll be using on our WordPress website plugin. So I'll just go to WordPress and I'll just click on plugin, add new plugins. Here I'll look for onesignal. Okay, here we get it. I'll just click on install and then activate. Okay, once this is activated, here on the bottom left hand side you can see a onesignal push icon has been created. Menu bar has been created, so I'll just click on that. Okay, here they've shown the steps, but since we just have to do configuration, I'll just click on configuration and I'll enter the app ID and REST API key, which I find it from here. So I'll just click on copy the app ID and I'll copy the API key here I'll paste it here. So I'm exposing these in the video, but in your case you should make sure you're not exposing it, because I'll just delete this account and I'll create a new one for the push notification. So in my case, it's okay to expose it, but in your case, please make sure you're not exposing it to anywhere in the website or somewhere else. Okay, send notification. Use to post a featured image for the notification icon. Use post feature image for Chrome large notification image. Yes, we'll keep this on. Now prompt setting. Okay, so this is the prompt setting. Automatically prompt to a new site visitor. Yes, you can have this on. Um, then the customizer subscribe bell offset position. So basically this is the positioning of the bell, which will come somewhere on the bottom right hand side. You can change it to any other place also. If you want to bottom left, you can have it there as well, or I prefer to have it on bottom right hand side, and I prefer to have a small size of the icon. Theme, I'll use white theme. Since my website is black and white color, I'll prefer to use white theme. In your case, you can go with red theme as well. Now these are some messages. You can customize these messages based on whatever messages you want users to give. Then there are other notifications and custom messages that you can set here. And UTM tracking, if you want, you can switch this on as well. And you can just save this here. So I'll just save this here, and here I'll just click on finish. Okay, once that is done, I can just go back to my website. And here when I'm visiting the website, it's still loading. Okay, maybe I'll just try it. You can see here we would like to show you push notification. If I click on allow, it will allow. I'll have to again give permission here. And here you can see on the bottom right hand side, subscribe to notification. This bell icon is also there. So if I click on this again, it will subscribe me to the notification. Since I've already subscribed, it's not giving me that option, but otherwise it will give me that option. Okay, now I've already subscribed. Now let me just go add a dummy post here. I just write this testing post. Okay, now here if you observe on the right hand side, we can see send notification on post publish, customize notification content. So this is something which testing post for push notification, and this is something which is there. Now when I click on publish, I'll get a notification that this post has been published. So it may take some time for the notification to be sent, but definitely the notification will be sent to all the users. Okay, so it says there were no recipient. You likely have no subscribers. So I think we have not been able to subscribe to this site properly, to the push notification properly. That's why it's giving us that error. So let me just refresh it again, or let me use some other browser. Allow. Okay, so we have allowed the push notification here. You're subscribed to notification. Okay, now let's just try again. So even if the post is published, you can check this and update the post, and it will send you the push notification. Yeah, one recipient. So it says send notification to one recipient. Let's see if we get it here. Okay, see, thanks for subscribing. So this message is coming here. Okay, so this is coming via push notification only. And yeah, see here, if you can see on the right hand side, we've got this notification that this post is live now onto the website. Okay, so if I click on it, the post will open out. So basically this is how simply you can set a push notification to your WordPress website. And I hope you like the video. If you're stuck with something on WordPress, feel free to drop in the comment, and will try to help you out. In the meantime, you can check out this video, which will help you more about WordPress tutorials. Thanks for your time.